You can graph many types of different equations either on the same grid or on new grids pretty easily on the Prism. Let's take a look at a couple of different types. In the graph menu, if you press type, you'll see y equals r equals. For our polar, we're going to choose sine of 2 theta as our graph. Execute and draw. Here's our graph. We want to see it a little closer, so we'll zoom in with the plus button. And there we have it. We'll exit out of there. We'll change the type for the next one to a parametric graph. This time let's go with sine of t and cosine of t. Go ahead and hit execute. Remember, we still have the other graph selected, so when we graph it, we'll see both. We'll zoom in out a little bit to be able to see both of them. Finally, let's add an x equations. So we'll go ahead and go out. We'll change the type for x3, and we'll change it to an x equals equation. These equations can also be inequalities, so now we'll be graphing in terms of y. So when you can graph equations not only in terms of x but also in terms of y. This also goes for inequalities. So if we go into exit, type, we want to graph an inequality in terms of x. We'll go with 1/2 x squared, or in this case 1/2 y squared. And it's a greater than inequality, and it goes ahead and graphs it on the same screen.